Hi guys, welcome to Tag My College. Hope you're doing well. So today I'm gonna tell you about top 10 engineering colleges in Kerala. So far we have covered quite many states from India. Today we'll be talking about one of them, that is Kerala. So let's just follow the same pattern. So first I'll tell you about Kerala and then we'll move towards the top 10 engineering colleges names in Kerala. So talking about Kerala, that's an Indian state in South India, and Kerala is the 13th largest Indian state by population, and basically it's divided into 14 districts having capital Thiruvananthapuram, and Malayalam is the most widely spoken language and that's the official language of the state. Apart from that, Kerala has the lowest positive population growth rate in India, which is 3.44%, and having highest literacy rate as 93.91%. So that is the highest literacy rate of Kerala. Like among all the states, all the 29 states of India, Kerala is the one which takes its first position when it comes to literacy rate in your all 29 states among India itself. So that is all about Kerala. Moving ahead, next we have is your list of top 10 engineering colleges in Kerala. So you can see these are the top 10 names I already have coming under to the top engineering colleges. So at the top I have the name of Government Model Engineering College of Kochi, that is located in Trikkarakara in Kochi in Kerala, and that's the best place to build a bright future despite of having not big campus, and placements are quite good. Fee for the BTech students are 1,63,184.5. That's quite affordable, and it's affiliated to Kerala Technological University. Apart from that, the companies which pick their future employees are Google, Zynga, Yahoo, Myntra, Cipla, Siemens, Philips, and so big names. So that was about government model engineering colleges securing at position 1. Moving ahead, I have SUSAT, that is called Cochin University of Science and Technology. That's the second name at the list, comes at your SUSAT, that is Cochin University of Science and Technology at Kochi. It's a government owned science and technology university in Cochin of Kerala. So there are 3 campuses in total. 2 are there in Kochi and one is there in Kutlan in Alpuza. So that was established in 1971, and the courses offered are BTech as well as the integrated one as well. So if you're going for the BTech one, that will cost you 1,82,400, whereas BTech 1 plus MTech, that's the integrated course, will cost you 1,03,500. And if you are the lateral entry person, that is BTech of the lateral entry, will cost you the same as the original one, that is your 1,82,400. Eligibility, that is apart from that, it takes the scores rank from CAT, that is Common Admission Test, and secure, like in 10 plus 2 it's asking only 50%. So even if you have screwed up your 12th result, so you still have a chance to get into this college, that is Cochin University of Science and Technology, with 50%. Apart from that, you just have a valid rank in your CAT as well, that is the Common Admission Test taken by Kerala itself. So that was second number, that is the second name, Cochin University of Science and Technology. Moving ahead, at number 3 I have National Institute of Technology, NITC. National Institute of Technology, Calicut, formerly the Calicut Regional Engineering College, and the campus is spread across your 121 hectare ground, and the BTech course fee for the BTech course is 2,80,000 when you're going for the biotech, or if you're going for the other branches, then it is 3,61,200, and it takes JEE Mains score. So as I said earlier, JEE Mains is quite important. Do not miss this exam. Apart from that, students having 45% marks in their 10 plus 2 can also apply, are eligible for this course, that is NIT, National Institute of Technology of Calicut. So this one is renowned as one of the top engineering college in India. This place has much more to offer as an aspirant than just engineering. As I said, campus is quite good for academics, even for other curricular activities, and it's having a quite lush green campus with ample of trees. So that was number 3, NIT, National Institute of Technology at Calicut. Moving ahead, we have Indian Institute of Space Technology, Space Science and Technology. It's a government-aided institute and deemed university for the study and research of space science. That's located in your Valimalai of Thiruvananthapuram of Kerala. It has an awesome campus with the highly qualified faculty. So cost for the MTech courses is 63,600, and apart from that, it takes JEE Advanced score. So even if you have JEE Mains, you should have qualified JEE Advanced in order to get admission in your IISST, that is Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology at Trivandrum. So moving ahead at 5, I have College of Engineering at Trivandrum, that is CET. CET is the first engineering college in Kerala, which is situated in Trivandrum, and this university is completely equipped with everything you want. Campus is quite huge and old as well, and it is affiliated to APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University. Okay, do not get confused with the APJ Abdul Kalam University we have in Uttar Pradesh. See, that is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, and this is APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University. So both are different. That is, this one is in Kerala. Apart from that, the colleges affiliated in Uttar Pradesh are from the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam University. So this CET, College of Engineering Trivandrum, is affiliated from APJ Abdul Kalam, the one in Kerala. So this is number 5, College of Engineering Trivandrum. And moving ahead at number 6, I have MES College of Engineering. MES College of Engineering was established as an institute in 1994, which is located in your Malappuram in Kerala. It's having a huge campus with good teaching faculties, and candidate should have LET exam being given in order to get admission in this college of MES College of Engineering, that is located in Malappuram. Moving ahead at number 7, I have TKM College of Engineering. TKM College of Engineering is basically situated in Kollam of Kerala. The college have good architecture, better campus placements, hostels are quite good, class infrastructure are even brilliant. Okay, in simple terms, if I describe about the college, that's an amazing government engineering college with dedicated teachers and a very good campus. Exam considered by TKM College of Engineering is KEM, that is Kerala's entrance exam itself. So you should have given this exam in order to take admission in TKM College of Engineering, and that's okay. Full form of the TKM is Thangal Kunju Musalia College of Engineering, and the course fee for the BTech course is 3,24,405 approx. So that is TKM College of Engineering in Kollam. At number 8, I have Mar Athanasius College of Engineering. Talking about this Mar Athanasius College of Engineering, that is located in Kothamangalam of Kerala, and this college holds up quite a peaceful campus and comes under one of the best colleges in Kerala with clean and infrastructure, beautifully campus. It provides a good ambience for studying and other curricular activities. Apart from that, companies which pick their students are HCL, Nest, MRF, L&T Precious, IBS, Infosys, Apollo, and so on. So the course fee for the BTech is 60,000, that is minimum. Till now what we have seen in all colleges, that is the quite affordable and the minimum cost of this BTech being taken by the College of Mar Athanasius College of Engineering in Kothamangalam. So that was number 8. Moving ahead at number 9, we have Government College of Engineering, that is also known as GCEK, which is located in Kannur and is affiliated by APJ Abdul Kalam, and the course fee is just 13,000. See, just being a government college, it has the best and the quite affordable and the cheapest cost for the BTech course, that is just 30,000. And apart from that, it takes LET score, that is you should not miss this LET exam in order to get admit in this college, Government College of Engineering in Kannur. So that was the number 9, Government College of Engineering. At number 10, I have summing up with Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology, that is located in Kothayam, which is also affiliated by Mahatma Gandhi University of Kothayam, and the companies which pick their future employees are Microsoft, Tata, IBM, Infosys, TCS, Zoho, Wipro, and so on. So that was number 10, Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology, having a quite green lush campus and the best faculties, summing up at number 10. So that was all top 10 engineering colleges in Kerala. So we have covered top 10 names of which comes under engineering colleges when it comes to state Kerala. So that was all for the video. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe us at Tag My College. Till then, bye bye, keep watching and see you in the next video.